Welcome everyone, my name is Bart from PhoneReco. I've been nominated by my friend Jason from FIXST Team for Reballing by Lighter challenge. So let's reball some chip and solder it back. Let's begin. Okay, here is Touch IC. Right, let's begin. Easy. There you have chip lighter. Already cleaned the motherboard. Okay, let's try it now. Fingers crossed. That. It works. Thank you, Jason, once again. It was very good fun. And now I would like to nominate a few people: Ricardo Carvalho, Patrick Mans, Rahim Aziz, and Serpko Jukovic. Hopefully, guys, I will see your videos very soon and have fun. Bye.